Christian Owen, and I am a Master Gardener volunteer for MSU Extension. Today I am potting holiday bulbs. I'm using information that I picked up from the Mississippi State Extension Office in Hernando. Plants make perfect decorations and gifts for all holidays, but especially Christmas. Of course, you need to start early, probably about when you start hearing Christmas carols on the radio, so that you can enjoy your blooms for Christmas. Today we're going to plant Paperwhites, or Paperwhite narcissus. They typically look best about 4 to 6 weeks after potting. This plant's delicate white flowers, you can see the picture here. This plant's delicate white flowers and fragrance make them an ideal decoration or gift. They can be placed in any room of the house. Very versatile choice. Dormant bulbs can be planted in potting soil or gravel, and you can get all of the materials that you need from your local garden center. If you're using gravel, fill a watertight container with washed pebbles. These have been washed. I'm going to use 2 so that I have a decoration that I can place maybe on a side table. Next, you're going to place your bulbs pointed side up on the surface. I think we can fit about 1 in each of these. Small hands required for this container. All right, we're going to add a little bit more gravel so that about 1 inch of the bulb is still exposed. Now that you've added your extra gravel, you have about 1 inch of the bulb exposed on top. You want to add water just to the base of the bulbs. And it's important to remember that your bulbs can rot if you add too much. Set these aside, because now we're going to pot our bulbs in soil. You're going to use the same planting depth with soil that you used with the gravel. I think we can fit at least 2 in this container. We're going to put them close to each other, almost touching, and they should be just slightly below the rim of your pot. Again, we need just a little bit more soil so that 1 inch of bulb is exposed. The actual bulbs are pretty though. I like to see them in the container, sticking out. When you're potting your bulbs in soil, you want to keep the soil moist but not wet. You want to store your planted bulbs in a cool, dark place for about 1 to 2 weeks. This will encourage root growth and stabilize them in their containers. Next, you want to move them to a bright, sunny location to encourage shoot growth. As they grow, your flowers and foliage may need staking because these plants can get kind of leggy when they're indoors. And after they bloom, you might want to periodically turn them and change their direction so that you don't have leaning stems. To prolong the growing period, don't put them in direct sunlight. And after the holiday season, some Mississippians have success planting their holiday bulbs in gardens, and then they can enjoy those blooms year after year. For more information, look for details at your Mississippi State Extension Office. You can pick up lots of good materials just down the street. And Thanksgiving and Christmas are just right around the corner, so have fun planting your narcissus, or more officially, your Paperwhite narcissus.